sovereign citizen, dude. What's happening, guys? You suck. I'm a sovereign citizen from Israel. I know all about the gold fringe and how fraudulent it is.
They hit me with a really strong dose of OC spray.
I want to speak to you, dead soldiers, now! I know the laws, buddy, and I'm waiting for you to do something wrong so I can sue you the puppet.
I pay for that uniform, I pay for that car, I'm the taxpayer, right?
Hi folks, I have some updates before we get into the dumb. I am happy to announce that Kevin Johnston, the racist sovereign citizen from Canada, is going to be spending 18 months in jail on top of the jail sentences that he already has. You should probably spend that 18 months trying to learn how to be a decent person, Kevin. In other news, my microphone that I raffled off in my latest live stream is on its way to the raffle winner. Clifford Reynolds was the beneficiary of that raffle, and he is now in possession of the $100 that the raffle earned. Also during that same live stream, someone donated money for Miss Mandy to get a microphone of her own, and I forwarded that money to her. Finally, Simon Mitchner was the winner of my latest members contest. He selflessly requested that I donate his winnings to a good charity, so I donated his $50 to Fisher House. Fisher House is a nonprofit organization that builds and maintains homes near military hospitals where family members can stay while their injured warriors recover from battlefield injuries. Thank you, Simon, for your donation. Now let's point and laugh at stupid. Today's idiot is Michael Picard. He loves getting arrested. And I love seeing terrible people getting arrested. So let's do this.
Hey man, thank you for setting this up.
Oh, no problem.
Appreciate it.
There you go. You know if that's open? Where's that?
Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm well, thank you.
Can you explain what your sign is?
Yeah, we
I did not know Glenn Serio had a twin brother.
support the police.
That's not supporting the police.
What are you talking about?
You're saying we deep throat, that's inappropriate.
Why?
Because it's inappropriate. It's deep throat the whole boot. I don't even know what that means. But
If you don't deep throat the boot, then you don't support the police.
Yeah.
He's at a Blue Lives Matter rally holding a sign mocking the supporters.
I'm going to ask you to move that down then, if you would, because that's not what we're about. We're not having inappropriate signs. If you want to go down that way and do that, you certainly can.
Okay. See, they're honking at my sign.
Yeah, I need you to go down there.
All right.
Could you please go down that way? Because that's not part of our cause. We're here just to have fun.
Okay.
So I'm going to ask you to leave, or I'm going to have to ask the police department to move you.
Okay.
Hold on to this.
Keep it cool, okay? We don't want any problems.
We're offended.
That's fine.
We're gonna go call the police. Where? Where?
I don't know why frauditors cannot understand what nuance is. You can be in favor of the rule of law without blindly supporting all police all the time. This channel is a testament to that.
We're going to report this to the police because we're very offended. Officer, we're very offended by this sign.
Quiet.
Okay.
Quiet. He's speaking. You'll have your chance.
All right. We're very
We're
offended.
standing outside there. We're supporting the police. We've asked to have not appropriate or offensive signs. This individual has inappropriate signs. He's not supporting what we're doing. We've asked him to please move down away from our area so that people are not confused with our signs, with what he wants to do. He's within his rights, but he needs to move further down and not harass individuals who are exercising their First Amendment.
Corporal Thompson, I used his name earlier.
No.
Thompson is the first
Oh,
one.
yes.
He's going to come up.
Okay, thank you.
Officer, we're very offended.
Okay. Like I said, the supervisor is coming up, and he will speak to you also, okay? So
Okay.
I would just appreciate if you want to wait here, if you want to wait outside, if
Sure.
you want to wait outside, if you wait here, just, I don't want you guys together.
All right. Well, I'm going back to the protest.
All right, if you want, that's fine.
It's not a protest, so.
It's not a protest, sorry. It's a rally. We're here supporting the police.
Your sign says otherwise, so we'd ask you to please leave.
According to findlaw.com, generally criminal harassment entails intentionally targeting someone else with behavior that is meant to alarm, annoy, torment, or terrorize them. Do his actions rise to that level? I'm not sure. But as I always say, just because you can do something doesn't mean you should. There's plenty of legal ways to be a terrible human.
If you want to go back across the street, sir, you can go back across the street. If you want to wait outside, but I don't want arguing in the lobby.
What's going on, guys?
I just asked this gentleman, he's exercising his First Amendment rights, which is fine. We asked him to please move down from where our guests are gathered for the police support. And his sign is also inappropriate. We do not want that to be confused with what we're about.
Deeply offended.
So we've asked them to please leave down, they refuse to do so.
Is there a reason why you cannot move, give them their space and you can have your space and you can display your sign, whatever you want? That's fine. Why is that?
I mean, no, there's no reason.
Oh, okay. So you'll help us out with that. Thank you.
And also,
I appreciate that.
They were not recording our individual guests. They have another individual recording individuals there. And if they want to move further down, out of the way, that's fine. We've done that for previous.
They're not allowed to record.
Huh?
They're not allowed to record.
Oh,
I'm pretty sure it's against the law.
You're recording right now as well.
I'm pretty sure it's against the law.
What's that?
To record in a public space.
Well, I'm not sure what you're talking about.
But
you're recording?
It's against the law.
Okay. So you're going to move down the sidewalk, right? Is that saying give them their space?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another lying frauditor. No surprise there. If you're going to be a frauditor, you have to be willing to lie.
Hey, look. Come and talk to me. All right, we've asked you nicely, okay? Okay, you said you were going to go down there and stand, okay?
His t-shirt says everything that you need to know about him.
Okay.
But then I decided
Yeah,
to
but you're doing it to antagonize people, so.
I'm supporting the police.
Yeah, we've asked you nicely.
If you don't deep throat the whole boot, then you're not a police supporter.
I don't get what you mean by that, but can you?
Makes perfect sense to me.
Yeah, but why are you doing this? That's what I don't understand.
To support the police.
I know, but you're not. You're.
Yeah, I am.
Yes, but they've asked you nicely. I mean, isn't there a reason why you cannot move down and show your sign down the sidewalk? Or?
No.
Okay. My opinion is, I just assume shut the whole thing down. Unless you're going to allow him to stand here.
Hi.
He can move down. I told him he has
I know.
his is not what we're doing.
No.
You're not letting.
But we're not going to have a disturbance. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
I'm not disturbing anyone. I'm just
Well,
peacefully standing here.
you know you are. So.
I'm just peacefully standing here. That's all. I just want to support the police.
I was going to say, do you like the logo?
If you're really here for the police, you're welcome to hold this sign.
Okay.
Okay?
You can hold it right next to mine.
Yeah, I had
No, you can put it right there.
I had Victor
Thank you.
I'm good. Other designs put in there, so if you try to get your price.
That's how I know you're really
$5.
But I want to hold up my sign. Support
It's
your
okay.
sign.
I'm getting
As individuals, you're recording.
I'm just trying to stand my ground because a lot of
You're not.
people,
You have
a lot
not
of
taken
people they
a
ask me for
record
prices,
or take anything.
and then you say no thank you or thanks anymore. They say, oh well, I can do it cheaper.
I'm going to ask you to leave as we've done for other events.
Okay, well then
We move down. I ask you to
Sir,
move down.
you're offending me. Move down
That's
there.
fine.
I told
Can
them.
you move down there?
So I'm going to ask you to either move down or to leave. Okay.
Yeah.
Take your pick.
And then like,
Okay, I'll stay
covered,
here.
the floor's covered in sand and
Okay.
everything. It just takes
I'm going to ask you to leave. Okay.
You're asking me to leave?
Yes. Down the sidewalk. No, I'm not going to allow you to cause a disturbance, guy. And that's what you do. Yeah, you are. So you know what you're doing, and I've asked you nicely to do it.
I'm just here to support the police.
What's going down there? You're not with this group here. You're here to antagonize.
Not
So
with them.
I'm going to ask you nicely.
Adam and I are good friends. You don't remember me? Yeah, you do. He does.
All right. What's it going to be, guy? You going to move down, or I'm going to escort you off?
Dad,
I'll stay right here.
Okay. Let's go.
through Linda.
Are you ordering?
Yep.
Dad, here's car.
Use your vehicle here, or?
What?
I'm going to escort you to your vehicle, or I can escort you inside.
No, you're going to arrest me if I don't leave?
You're causing a disturbance now, sir.
I'm not causing any disturbance.
I've asked you nicely.
If you want to arrest me for this, I'll fight it in court.
Okay. Let's go. You get your wish.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah. Okay, you're going to have to take that down or something, all right?
Gary.
You want her to take it? 130, we have one in custody.
For what charge?
One in custody, 1231.
Do you want to take the sign too, please? Thank you.
Record this.
It's being recorded. You can get a copy of it, guy.
Oh, you're wearing.
Yeah, I've been recording it. So.
What are you charging me with?
I'm going to discuss it once we go over. Okay. You have identification on you?
It's in my car.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. If you talk to any police officer, anything you say can and will be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to consult with a lawyer before you are questioned, and you may have a lawyer with you during questioning. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you if you wish before any questioning. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you wish to answer any questions, you have the right to stop answering questions at any time. Do you understand?
Yes.
You may stop answering questions at any time to talk to a lawyer, and you may have a lawyer with you during any further questioning. Do you understand?
Yes.
Was that a legit arrest? Probably not. But this next one is.
Hey guys, so I have my jury info sign out. I've been handing out flyers.
I've been 200 feet away from the courthouse. So
Says who?
Says the law. And if you don't do it
Which
now,
law?
if you don't do it now, I'm going to put handcuffs on you. You're going to be placed under arrest.
Which law?
Do you understand?
Which law?
I don't have to tell you or point to a section. I'm telling you, it's in the criminal procedure law. It's in penal law, actually. You have
Penal
to be
law?
200 feet away. Okay,
And
I'm going to give you.
what would I have been arrested?
Listen to me. I'm about to place you under arrest. Is that what you want?
For free speech?
No, for violating the law. The law says you can do this, but you have to be 200 feet away. Is that
For
something
free
you understand?
speech on a public space?
No. The law says you can do that 200 feet away from a courthouse.
It's pretty simple. Just like you can't campaign within a certain distance of a polling station on election day, you can't hand out flyers within 200 feet of that courthouse.
Okay, well, you guys said you'd produce that, so I'm not leaving unless you produce it.
Okay, put your hands behind your back. I'm going to place you under arrest.
I think we have time to see him get arrested one more time.
I like this side. I'm going to ask you to take it down. You're reaching the piece. And if you don't take it down, I'm going to have you arrested.
Nah.
I'm telling you, if you don't take it down, you're going to be under arrest. So
Okay, for what charge? I'm sorry.
Breach of the peace.
Okay, well, Cohen versus California is
I'm just going to tell you once. You can take it down now. If you don't take it down, you're going to be under arrest. Your choice.
For breach of peace?
You see these gentlemen right here? They're going to take you into jail. Take the sign down or go to jail. Okay, let's place him under arrest.
Tell Joe.
Alright, I'll tell Joe. We'll make sure to bring the attorney over. Another violation of free speech right in front of the police department. Just like we said.
How hard is it to just have a job and be a good person? I've been doing it for years, along with all of my friends. But if there weren't these people, who would we laugh at? If you like this video and you want to see more stupid in the future, please like and subscribe.